We are producing yearly based and globally 35 million tons of cement per year. It's one of the top 5 player in the world in cement and concrete production. In Portugal, we have 3 integrated plants in Alhandra, Suzelas and Lule plants.
The company sent us a challenge in parallel with other projects. So with the projects about sustainability, reduction of carbon emissions. So they asked us to develop the digitalization of our operational plants. And when we make our roadmap about this installation, we begin to discuss what will be the solution, the foundation to connect all these tools. And really we need a low latency, we need a mobility on all the plants.
Our plants, they cover very large areas, and that makes it difficult to implement traditional Wi-Fi, and also not cost effective. We have heavy machinery and high temperatures in our environment. Also metal structures that can interfere with the traditional Wi-Fi signal.
And when we have discussed with CIMPOR the type of options we could bring to the table, mobile private network came as the best solution, given the security that brings, given the extraordinary coverage that provides, given the very low latency, and also the capacity of being able to manage thousands of devices.
It really offers us what we expected for this kind of network in terms of responsiveness and in terms of performance of the network.
Vodafone can bring all of this together. And the other thing that we bring is the experience. We belong to a group, Vodafone Group. We have done this more than 100 times in the world so far. So this is an area that is growing a lot.
CIMPOR, they are the front runners, they dare to take the decision to invest and see how to transform their business. Many others will come, have no question about that, because it is evolution, because it is looking to the future.
When we saw that effectiveness of 5G MPN, we decided to just spread it all the plant without any dead zone, with 100% coverage, all galleries and everywhere. It creates us a flexibility.
The people today have a mobility around the plant completely different. And also we can make the monitorization of our equipment in a much more efficient, with much more safety, and we increase the productivity of our workers.